Hello, my name is Joseph Ligewood, and I'm the owner chef of E빗, a Michelin one-star restaurant. Kkomak is a type of clam that grows in clean mudflats. It is loved for its soft but chewy texture and a savory flavor that is enriched as you chew on it. It is said to have been a delicacy served in Surasan, the meals prepared for the kings. Busan County is located in the southwestern part of Korea, has produced high-quality Kkomak since the Joseon dynasty. So I've just arrived in Busan and it's super early in the morning and I've come to learn more about a small little clam called Kkomak. As you can see behind me, the boats are coming in and they've been out to sea for about 5 hours. This is the winter time, so they go out every single day, and now they're coming back into this harbor to process these clams. Let's find out more. The clean mudflat with low sand content provides beneficial nutrients for the growth of Kkomak. I met with a Kkomak producer on my visit to Busan County. A ship full of Kkomak has arrived at the port. Let's have a look at how Kkomak is sorted. On this day, 2.6 tons of Kkomak were harvested in total. Transporting and sorting such an enormous quantity of Kkomak takes a lot of time and effort. While harvesting Kkomak, by scraping the bottom of the mudflats using a net with hooks, the shells can easily become broken or foreign matter can also accumulate. Although the Kkomak is initially washed and sorted by machine, the producers then pick out only the best ones by hand. The savory flavor of the laboriously harvested Kkomak conveys the complex aromas of the sea.
So fresh. It tastes like a clam, but the texture is so soft, warm, and it's not fishy at all. So good, really good. Just need about 100 of these, I think.
No other country in the world enjoys Kkomak in as many diverse dishes as in Korea. With its pleasantly chewy texture and nutrients beneficial for health, Kkomak is sure to be loved beyond Korea by people around the world.